In this lecture, we are going to see how we can unlock read-only Excel files. Now in the first step, prepare a password-protected Excel file. You can give a password to an Excel file by going to Properties, and in the Security tab you can apply a password that limits modification. Now change the file extension to a zip file. Open the zip folder in Windows Explorer or WinRAR. Now look for the workbook.xml file in the Excel folder and open it in a text editor. Now search for the content file sharing and remove all contents within the tag. Now save the file separately with the same name and then drag it to the actual archive and replace the original file. Now let's see the attack in action. First of all, create an Excel file. Write some content in it and click Save. Now while saving, go to Tools, General Options and give it a password to modify. Remember, this attack works only on the password to modify. We have already seen many attacks to crack the file opening password. Once saved, you can open the file and see that it's password locked. Now close it. Now change the extension of the file to zip. If you don't see your extensions, you can go to View and select the option to show file extensions. Now change the file extension to zip. Now we have a book1.zip archive. Just right click the archive and open it with Windows Explorer. Now go to Excel folder and here you can see a workbook.xml file. Now just drag it to your desktop and open it with the notepad. Now press Ctrl F and search for file sharing. Now delete all the content that is included in file sharing tags. Save the file. Now drag the file back to the archive. Click Replace. Now change the archive extension back to XLSX file. Now open it. And here you can see that our password has been removed.